Hey guys, James from Mock & Lux here. I want to talk to you today about the frames used to hold the double glazed units. It is essential to have a high performing frame that will hold the double glazed unit. So what I want to discuss today is the seals of the windows and door frames. It is very important to take notice of the types of seals that are being used in the double glazed windows or doors. Take notice of the frame to see if the seal is rubber or brush. Brush seals will help to reduce a little bit of dust and dirt, but will not make the window or door completely draft proof. Ensuring a window or door is draft proof is essential for two reasons. Firstly, it will reduce noise, as sound will always travel the least path of resistance. And secondly, it will increase the energy efficiency of the windows by stopping air travelling right through the frame. What is the point of spending money on a double glazed system if heat, sound or dirt is just going to travel straight through the frame?